What's up, guys? Yeah, welcome back to your YouTube channel, Daily Hustle TV. In today's YouTube channel video, I'll be talking on how to run Synthelix AIRDROP, and also on how to participate on this project, and how to claim your daily earnings, and also how to start making money on this project for free. I'll be showing this video. If you're into this channel, guys, subscribe to the channel and also like this video, and also share it to your friends and your loved ones who want to make money on airdrop. So let's get started, guys. So what you are using today, you're using extension. You can use an extension, or you can use any of your browser which you have. So for me, I'm using Bitget wallet, but basically I usually use Kiwi. I usually use Kiwi browser, which I usually use. But sake of this video, I'll be using my Bitget wallet to run this project. So you also have a Bitget wallet, or you have an wallet, you can also use your wallet. So I'll go back now. I'll go to my Discover browser, go to my entire browser here. So when I click on this my entire browser, which is down part here, so once I click on it, next for me to do is to paste the link on the enter website. So basically I already have it on my entire browser, so I'll just go directly to it and start it now. So once you click on the link, next thing to do, so you can paste the link here, or you can click on it. Remember, I already have the link which I've already running right here. So once I click the link now, next for me to do is to wait and wait for my browser to be verified. So once the browser is verified, I can proceed and I can start mining this project. So now it's going to show you fail to verify your browser. We're going to have to wait. So once you have wait patiently, it's going to load right now. The next thing for you to do is to sign in. Sometimes it shows sign in here, or sometimes it shows connect your wallet. So any one of these, you can click on it and you can get started on this project right now. So once I click on it, I'll wait for my wallet to be connected so I can start this project. You can see right now asking me for the signature, which for me to connect my wallet. So next thing to do is to click on this signature. So this will always show only if you are using wallet, but you are using browser, to not show. So I'll put my password here and I'll continue right now. So now this is my wallet. This is my wallet which I'm using right here now. So you can see basically I have mined 81 key points of this project, and I want to claim my last earnings, which I want to claim here. So I'll just click on this claiming here and I'll wait for this wallet to be connected. So I've already claimed it. So next thing to do is to click on this start node. So once you click on it, it's going to start, and automatically it's 24 hours. So I will connect my wallet again now. I'll sign in. So I'm done. So you also use something like taker too. So you haven't start taker, you can even start new taker. You can also check it in this video description. So next thing for me, after I've claimed it, I'm good to go. So remember, it's 24 hours you get used to claim your 24 hours. You used to come back and claim your notes every time. Remember, you claim it. Once you have claimed it, you are good to go. So the next thing to also know on this project is also on how to and to do your tax. So you come to this your rewards here. So you come to this tax section here. and the reward. So you complete all these tasks here, you follow them on Twitter. Once you follow them on Twitter, so once you have completed your tasks here, the next thing to also do, you can also see your account status here. So now my account here, I have 0 referrals and my boot is still 0. So as you have, if you have also have referral too, your boost is going to increase and your percent is going to increase, and going to also increase your mining rates in your account. So to get your ref link or your referral link, you come to this part here, which is the referral, and you copy referral link here. So this is your invite code here. So once you have copied it, you automatically get your referral link. So you can tweet your referral link or you can copy it and share it to your community if you want. And remember, anybody who participates with you will also get 20 points from this project. And you see, automatically I have 0 referrals here, but now I have mined over 8. I've mined over 80 of these tokens. So let me connect my wallet back. So remember, I'm using Bitget wallet to run this project. So you can see your boost right here. You can see your boost right here, and also increase your boost, which I've already explained right here. You see, I have mined over 87k of these points, and don't forget to also start mining right now. Another thing I want you to know is this X node is going coming soon, and this claiming portal. So very soon you can able to claim these coins. So this is the best time for you to position yourself on this project, and also don't miss projects for anything. So I don't want anybody to miss this project, so make sure you register on this project and also start this project immediately you see this project. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and also like this video, and also comment what you say about this video in this comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.